So every year on Father's Day for the last 15 years, we've been having a car show for fathers and their sons. And this is our 15th annual Classic Car Show. Some years ago, we partnered with the Paseo, Colorado, who allows us to utilize their venue at their Chalk Festival here on Green Street in front of the Convention Center in front of Paseo, Colorado. So it's been a very good partnership with the two of us, and we've got a built-in crowd, so it's fantastic, and it works out well for the participants that brought their cars down as well.
Well, when I bought this car, it was in pieces. So basically, I've replaced everything from the motor to the tires, the shocks. I rebuilt the whole car. So the car is what you call a Walt Butler product. Well, the engine is decent. I have the late distributor, aluminum radiator, has the lights, new upholstery inside, and most of all, it's fast. I can beat a lot of Chevys in it.
Yeah, the one is a 1957 MGA convertible. I've had that for about 30 years. And then the other one's a 1969 RSSS convertible Camaro. And I've had that one for a little bit over 13 years. I've been coming here for the past 4 years, and I figure, for Father's Day, do something you want to do on Father's Day, so give you time to afterwards now to go home and have dinner and stuff like that with the family.
Every year it's harder and harder to pick a winner. Every car out here is just exquisite. This is our record year. We have about 70 entrants, and every one of them is a classic in their own right. And I wish I had an award category for all of them, but a lot of the people that come out here and support us, they've been coming every year, and we're very, very grateful for their support. Again, their entry fee and the raffle tickets, all that go to support the youth and the women of our community. So we couldn't be pleased more. We'd like to thank them.